Alright, so in our last video we managed to create a post view component where when we click here we can be able to view the media and show the comments here, and we created this placeholder to show our comments. So now before we actually start building our comments, let's just create our comments model, relationships and migrations. We can close that. We can go back. Let's open the terminal, open a new interface. Here let's type PHP artisan make model comment with a capital C. You type -m migration fs and cedar migration factory cedar. Then click enter. Right now this is created. We can just simply close everything. Let's open our comments table. In here, right here is going to be table foreign ID, user ID, string on the users table, and this one on delete, want to cascade it. Want to delete the comment if the user is deleted. Right here, want to have table foreign. Here we can say parent ID, which references ID on which table, on the same table, comments table. This one on delete, we can just do the same as here. Want to delete the child comments if the parent is deleted. It's very important. The reason why we're doing this line of code, is because we want to have the same comments and replies in the same table. This allows us to have unlimited or infinite number of replies in the same comment, like parents, children, grandchildren, all that. Oh yeah. So after we create that, next table is going to be integer commentable ID, so it can be nullable and unsigned. Right here it's going to be a string. Down here it's going to be commentable type, and then this one won't be assigned, of course, just be nullable. And then next table, it's going to be medium text body nullable. Next here is to be soft deletes. Actually here, before we continue, just above this, I forgot this. Here table, make sure that we actually add unsigned big integer with this parent ID before we reference it as a foreign key here. After we do that, next we can go to our comment model. So here open comment, this one, the model. Now we can simply add protected guarded. Here add an empty array, and then here add commentable public function. Commentable return type can just be a morph2. Or inside here we can say this, actually we can say return this morph2. Next we're gonna have get the parent to this comment. We can say function parent, we can say belongs to. In here let's actually add return this belongs to self. Make sure the self is capital self class, and which foreign key is a parent ID. And then here function, we can say replies, because any comment can have replies, and any reply can also have replies. So here say return this has many comment replies class. Make sure this is correct. Let's see models. All right, after that add a comma. Foreign key is parent ID, local key is its ID itself. Here we can just allot this by default, saying with reply, so it's just go back to its own table here. And finally, one more thing, we can add function user. Here we can say belongs to, so you return this belongs to the user model. Okay, each comment can belong to a user. Alright, after adding that in this table, here let's just add one more thing in top. Here add use soft deletes, because we added a soft delete in our table, which will just add something like deleted at the field. So here we want to add the classes that allow that. After doing that, we can now go to the post model and add a few changes there. Here post. In here, after the user relationship, you can simply add a post can have comments, right? Morph many. Return this morph many, comment class. Let's just add 2 more arguments. Here, commentable, or it's paramount that you follow this name, commentable here, the same name as this class, and the same name as this one here, commentable ID, commentable type. Unless you want to do things manually, but if you want to make things easy for you, just do the same. Here, the comments, we can equal out the comments with reply. Alright, one last thing before we end the video. I think since we've added this to our user, we can simply go to our users table, add a reverse relationship. So here, type user. In here, after the post, we can just add something like comments. Here has many, here return, this has many, comment class. Alright, so that's it for this video. And then in the next one, we're not going to create a factory, and they're going to create dummy comments for our posts. So see you in the next video.